Go wash it now. Come here. So, long story short, all these years are going with me for revamping today. Hi guys, bonjour, bonsoir, bienvenue. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome back again to my channel. I am Jem Frances, a Nigerian mom. I live here in Senegal with my family. Welcome back again to another vlog. Today I'll be going out. Yeah, I'm going for my hair appointment today. I'm going to make my hair today, and any day that I'm going out, like I have a serious thing to do outside. I don't like cooking fresh food because most times when I start cooking fresh food, I might end up not going out on time or not meeting up. So what I'll do is to make do with the already made food at home. Guys, finally I'll be going to make my hair today after so many procrastination, but I'm taking my wigs along with me, yeah, for revamping because these days I find it so lazy. I find myself so lazy doing it myself like I used to do. If you have been following me on this channel, you will know that I used to do my revamping by myself. These ones are going with me so that for revamping, yeah, this one is going with me. This curly wig is also going with me for revamping. And this one, I want them to add this one. I've procrastinated a lot. So this very one, I'm going to buy closure, yeah, because the place I'm going, they used to sell closure there. If it's too expensive, that place, that means I'll run to where I used to buy my hair and get an appropriate closure for it. Yeah, just a side part closure. That one won't cost me much for this one. So they wig this one for me. There. Today is hair day. They will wig this one for me. And this is Baba for them all that I want to bring out now. Like this one. I want this one. This is my hair. So like this one is full frontal. It's been long. You can see. It's been long. So I make use of this one like not close to 6 months. I used it last. Or it might even be more than. You see? That's my luxury. When I say luxury. Long story short, all these years are going with me for revamping today because I actually find a very good place that I'm going to make my hair and also revamp this hair. Like they are so good in what they do. You can see this one. It's picking good hair, but something needs to be done. So that's that, guys. Oh, it's so hot. All this said, I'm going to revamp now. I'm not just doing them because I want to start making use of them, but at least these days I find myself wearing scarf. Yeah, but I need to at least take care of them before they will just be all gone where they are. Wow. Talk to you guys later.
Two thousand years later.
And the weather has been so hot. Go wash it now. Shampoo. Combia. The lady was about to start making the cornrows when I changed my mind. I told her I would want to wash my hair and I asked for the price. They told me I decided to wash my hair. At least this time that I came to the salon today, let me use this opportunity and do everything I can. Yeah. Coming to the salon here is not what we do often. Yeah, because the prices they charge a whole lot. So after washing, she went ahead to cornrow, like braid my hair. And I was so happy because one of my fear braiding my hair is pain. I don't know about other people, but it's so painful, especially with some people hands. So luckily for me, her hand was not painful. Her hand was not painful, and as we were making my hair, like braiding it, the other lady was also installing, like taking care of the lace, pre-plugging it. And after she finished doing it, she showed me what she had done, and I liked it so well. What I saw that made me to come to their salon is exactly what they gave to me. These cornrows, these braids were just totally painless. Like I didn't feel anything. The lady's hand was just so peaceful to my hair. Like I enjoyed it. Yeah, so I was still waiting for the other lady to be through with the wig so that she will install it on my hair. And that's what they're doing right here. One thing I love about the way she did it is that she made it in sort of glueless, yeah. Because the way she made everything about this wig, even right now that I'm using it, I don't do much. I don't even apply my glue again. I don't even use glue for anything. Like it's just glueless, unless I want it to be like a bit so fixed, yeah, then I can go for extra glue. But she made it in a way that you can just wear it as a glueless wig, and I'm so happy about that. So here they were just doing their work, and at this point I told her to do a little baby hair at the edge, because this very style I told her is something I know that let me just rock it for a while before I will start using center part, because this kind of a style is not something they curve. That slit curve there is not something I can get. So I'll just use it for a while and I'll go back to normal center part. That's how I want to rock it here. And I'm back home right now feeling myself, and I was super tired. It's time to take some beautiful picture for the gram. Selfie time, and they were beautiful. I came home to see these beautiful items that hubby got for me and King David. Like I so love all of them. This one is for King David, and here is more. This is my own. The shoe is for King David. Like I was so happy. King David has slept, so I brought him inside the room, yeah, so that I can concentrate and do what I'm doing. Cooking whenever King David is in the kitchen with me. Oh my god. If I use duvet to cover him immediately now, he will just, he will not even sleep for a very quiet time. Unless that period when the weather is like deep cold, that's when he will just feel free to use duvet. But it's just mild cold like this. Just drop the duvet, few seconds, you will see him join you wherever you are. So that's why I use this wrap. Talk to you guys later.
2,000 years later.
Guys, it's bone cooking today. Like, I'm so busy. These are my tomatoes. This very one here, there's not much pepper in it, but this one, I think there's lots of pepper in it. This very one, there's lots of pepper in it, so that's why I'm cooking them separate. So my beans is almost ready. It's like ready. Yeah, I'm making white rice and beans. Yeah, so, and I have my chicken and beef that I will use and make stew. Here it is. Here is my chicken and beef. So here is the chicken. Washing it. I'm washing them. So after washing, now I'll go ahead to cook. I have to put this one here and this one right here and the meat. Okay, guys, thank you so much for doing this again with me on this one. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate. To my returning subscribers, God bless you all. And if you're coming across my video today for the first time, hi, you're welcome. Please do not forget to like the video and also subscribe if what I'm doing is what you like. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.